How's it going, folks? This is Joe with Joe's Gaming Electronics. I'm going to show you guys how to pair the Powerbeats wireless with the wire. So we don't really know what to call these yet, but you know what they are if you have them. So these are really simple to pair. We're going to quickly just go ahead and power your device on. You're going to see the power button there. It's going to start blinking. When it's blinking, we're just going to put it next to our iPhone. We're going to see the little Powerbeats pop up. As you can see here, this is before they made an icon for the Powerbeats on the phone, since this is fairly new. So we're going to click connect. When you connect, it's going to simply connect. It's going to tell you how much percentage you have on your Powerbeats, which is super cool. And then if that doesn't work, what you're going to do is I'm going to quickly disconnect, as you guys are going to see here on the screen share, and I'm going to redo the same process. So I'm going to power these down and I power them back up. I'm going to keep holding that power button until it keeps blinking. It puts it into a pairing mode. And then I'm going to go to the bottom of my other devices here, and you're going to see Powerbeats. This will be the same process if you have a Samsung phone or a Nokia phone or any kind of other phone. You're just going to go to the very bottom here where it says other devices, and you're going to click on it. That will bypass that H1 connection here where you put it closed and it's going to pop up. So super simple. You just click on the other devices where it says Powerbeats. You're going to click on it. It's going to connect it, and you can get to jamming out. Put them into your ears and start listening to some great music and enjoy it. Well, thanks so much for watching the video, guys. Hope you guys have a great day.